sheet 1 paper. Take this, fold into a triangle shape like this. Then open, turn like this. Half of the triangle, fold, take this half, again fold. At the point of this triangle, you fold it in the middle. That makes an owl. You have to keep one eyes. Finish an owl. After folding, you color the eyes like this. Then draw some curves to the wings. Like this, and draw some lines, horizontal lines. And this is colorful owl.